Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video here. And I know I didn't do a Deadly Supercard video in a long time. So we're here on my other account, which is SummerSlam 18 tier. And we are gonna press our luck with this pack. 3 Superstar Monsters, SummerSlam 19. And I should have done a video because the new SummerSlam 19 tier has came out. So if we could get a SummerSlam 19 or even a Cataclysm or WrestleMania 35, I'll take any of those. Or like, because it's 3 superstars or like a SummerSlam 19 female. So we can only open one. So yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content. I think I am going to also do the Ring Domination Crest reward soon. But yeah. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. So, okay, we can only open 1, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We got a Cataclysm. Okay, see, this is what I like. Okay, the Cataclysm is. Oh, guys, look. Jeff freaking Hardy. Oh, nice. Okay, guys, so that's not bad. First pack, too. First pack. Wow. Oh my gosh. Cataclysm and WrestleMania 35, because we also had a WrestleMania 35. Oh, dang. That's freaking. And I love Jeff Hardy as well, so. So he's good in power and tough. Bam, guys. Cataclysm. Jeff freaking Hardy, guys. Right here. No joke. We'll get him fully leveled up soon. So, let's see if there's any, nope, that's the only Jeff Hardy we have, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.